It's done. So this is a TPU bumper spacer. So let me get this out of here. I think I have a problem. Just gotta go back to old trustworthy here. So this is a part of a product that I sell. And it's actually a shower head in there. And coolant comes through here to cool something that's been heated to about 700 degrees. What the problem is I'm getting these back broken. So the factory sends with this in the machine with this, like this. And I'm getting these things back broken. And of course they wanted their warranty, but they dropped it. So it's one of those things. So I'm thinking about some kind of bumper on the end that's flexible, that'll fit into its mating part and give us some protection. Now I think I'm going to need to make this bigger so it has more surface area on here. Might even have to apply a little glue to get it to stick or something. I haven't figured it out yet. But that's my first initial thought. And then I put another bumper up here. Now I've also designed this same thing in plastic up here, the shower head portion, which you can't feel it, but this thing's really top heavy. If I could reduce the weight up here, that may also help it. So I'm not 100% sure what direction I want to go yet, but my initial thought was let's test the bumper at this end, and it seems to already be protecting it a lot. And you can see it's quite flexible. So yeah, this is what I'm playing with.